Hello and welcome to this unboxing of the DJI Mini 3 drone, which has just fallen out of the box, so there you go. Right, let's get everything else out. If I can. 1 second, there we go. Pop it up like that. Oh, nearly had it, nearly. Come on. There we go. That's out. That's out. Trying to get every bit out that I can. That one's a bit difficult. Is it attached to that? I don't know. I'm assuming cables and that are in there, unless they're... Oh, they might be in there actually. Right, let's put that aside. Right, so we have the controller and the drone. We also have the, these are where all the cables and that are. Didn't need to get a little bit out. So loads of packaging and these strange little parcels. Right, so let's got loads of stuff with this, stickers and whatnot. Right, so the cables are in here, so let's sort that there. So you get the cables, obviously, see them, get the cables. You get loads of stuff, blades, screwdriver. What's that? I think that's just stickers, I think. Let's open it up and have a look. Let's have a shufty. Yeah, just stickers, very nice. So there's that. There's loads of instructions and warranties and stuff there. Actually, just excuse me here a minute. I want to have a look at that off camera, whatever it was. Oh, it's just for the app. Right, so you get them. You get the controller, which I was led to believe had a screen on it, but it doesn't, unless you pull it out. No, it's just, so it's like my last one, like my last controller. Pull that out. Yeah, pull that out like that. Put your phone in, usual buttons, things are at the bottom. So there's your thing. I've got 2 of them now. And here is the drone. How do I get this out? There we go. So this is the new drone. Ooh, very nice. It's got a lot bigger camera thing on it compared to the Mini 2. See that? A lot bigger. That is a lot bigger drone than before. It just it just pulls out like normal. Oh, maybe not actually. Oh, it does. It doesn't pull out like normal, like my other one does. Ooh, very nice. There's where your card goes in. I don't know if I've got a card or not for it, but that's underneath, side, front, that's a lot bigger camera than the other one. So there you go. There's everything with the Mini 3. This is HDR as well, and it has zoom. So there's all these stickers and whatnot as well. So, and extra blades, screwdriver. So that's all you get with the Mini 3 drone. I will be testing this out when the weather gets nice again. So if you enjoyed this quick unboxing, let me know, and by like, comment and subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.